Downloading and installing the app. As you already know that an app is a software program. Hence, to use any app, you need to first install it on your device. As we have already learned, Google's Play Store and Apple's App Store are the most commonly used app stores. Among these two, Google's Play Store is more popular due to the huge market of Android devices. So, we are taking an example of an Android device to install an app from the Google's Play Store. To download and install an app on an Android device, follow the given steps. 1. Tap on the Play Store icon. 2. Type the name of the app or related keyword. 3. Tap on the app you want to install. 4. Tap on the Install button. 5. Tap on the Open button to use the app.